We are back with our next video. I was just thinking that during this time, sometimes things tend to get a little monotonous. We think, oh my, when are we going to get back to our regular lives? And this results in a kind of worry. It's very easy for us and for me to say that don't stress, don't be tensed, don't be worried. It's extremely easy. But what is not easy is how we are going to explain the same to our little ones. I always believe in the concept of diverting of attention. When you find a situation that may not perhaps be that favorable, there is nothing like a good diversion. I don't call it distraction, because distraction sometimes causes a kind of not so happy feelings in our minds. But I love the word diversion, and I think diversion is a wonderful way to actually allow your child to explore new facets and new aspects to this wonderful life. So let's discuss about the time when you were little, when I was little. What would we do? We would put little chana on a cotton wool and allow it to grow. I just love that, and I must tell you, I actually was able to do it even this time due to the extra time at home. Chana, dal, kabuli matar and a lot of other beautiful little saplings came up. This kind of joy brings a very happy feeling within one's being, and it also allows you to be close and in a lovely bond with our beautiful Mother Nature. Don't forget to do a little nature walk. Now, nature walk was a concept that was introduced in my school, and I am lucky enough to have still carried it out till today. I make sure I always remain in contact with nature, and I can't tell you how important it is to actually allow yourself to be with nature. A simple glancing out of the window, looking at the lush greenery. If not possible, then having a little small mini nursery at home. Plants should be an integral part of everyone's life. And let me tell you, you can incorporate it in any kind of household. And there's nothing more therapeutic than being in contact with nature. Thank you for watching this beautiful and fun video.